Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Imas Masari Putri, and here I will presentation part 2 study case intrinsic and extrinsic elements beside on Mr. Bernard's presentation. Okay, for the background presentation for Mr. Bernard at the cultural festival on November 26, 2025, Mr. Bernard, a native speaker, delivered a presentation on intrinsic and extrinsic approach in literary analysis. Okay, what is a literary analysis? Literary analysis is a method used to understand how a literary text contracts meaning through a careful examination of its elements. And according to Mr. Bernard, literary analysis helps readers interpret the themes, message, and style of a literary work. Intrinsic approach. The intrinsic approach focuses on internal elements such as plot, character, setting, theme, diction, style, imagery, and symbols. An example of interpreting symbols in poetry besides solely rely on the text emphasizes that meaning can be derived without involving information outside the text. Okay, for the extrinsic approach is described as a way of analyzing literary works by considering external factors such as the author's background, social and historical condition, and cultural and ideological influence. And according to Mr. Bernard, the extrinsic approach encompasses the author's background, social and historical context, and cultural, political, and ideological influence. This can help readers understand the social context underlying the text. Okay, for the key difference. The difference between the intrinsic and extrinsic approach lies in the focus of the analysis, and despite their differing the perspective, these two approaches can complement each other to produce a more comprehensive understanding of literature. Okay, for example, in a story about a broken family, an intrinsic approach might be used to analyze the characters' emotions, tone, and symbolize that appear in the text, while an extrinsic approach helps readers understand the story through its social context, such as common family issues and in society. And combining these two approaches provides a more comprehensive understanding of the story's meaning. Okay, for the last conclusion, overall, this material successfully explains the concept of literary analysis clearly and in a balanced manner. And from an intrinsic perspective, the material systematic organization and accessible language supports reader comprehension. And from an extrinsic perspective, this material is relevant to academic needs because it emphasizes the importance of the relationship between literary works and the reality beyond in the text. And according to Mr. Bernard, both intrinsic and extrinsic approach are essential to literary analysis. Okay, that's all from me for the analysis presentation intrinsic and extrinsic by Mr. Bernard. And sorry if there are any wrong pronunciation, and see you next time. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye bye.